My first birthday present for the year has arrived.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world.
On Main Street, USA.
Every city, every place.
I ordered myself a birthday present. Sort of. So my birthday present from my kids has arrived. It's because I ordered it really early because they had a sale. And I say they, I mean Spartina 449. This is one of my favorite places to get purses. You know, I love Dooney and Coach, but I really like Spartina 449. Also, they're out of South Carolina, and they just have really quality purses and merchandise. Their greetings from line is my favorite, and it is like just kind of like the whimsical type, not even whimsical, but just like maps of area. Like you can get those big maps and they'll show different like highlighted icons in the state or a city or whatever. You know what I'm kind of maps I'm talking about? Well, that's what their prints that they put on their purses, their beach towels, umbrellas, journals, and yeah, wallets, that type of stuff. And I love those. I have a few, I got to say quite a few, but that's not right. I have quite a few Spartina 449 items, but I only have 3 greetings from. Anyway, they never go on sale, and that's why I don't have more, because they never go on sale until recently. For 3 days, maybe 3 or 4 days, they actually were 30% off just that line, and I jumped on it. I'm like, oh yes, finally they're on sale. So I told the kids, I said, have y'all got my birthday present yet? And this is normally not like me. I like to be surprised. I don't like make Christmas lists, but in this case, I was like, you know, my birthday's on the 21st, and you know, instead of the kids having to go around, and because it's hard, you can't really shop now unless you shop online. It's like, you know, let me just say, hey, you want to get this for me? And they said yes. So this is going to be last, but I did order some other things, and I ordered some journals. I love their journals. Here's an example of their greetings from, let's say, Charleston. So, so this is what all their Charleston purses and beach towels and umbrellas and stuff look like. It's this print. So I like these little, because I love journals, and when I get to travel again, I want to use this journal for that area. Basically a travel journal. So this is the Charleston one. And I've picked states that I know I'm going to be in as soon as this ban is lifted. And this is Tennessee. Oh, I forgot to mention the first one. They do have the little ribbon. Can't get it out. Where is it? There we go. The little ribbon bookmark in all of them. And the Tennessee one inside looks like that. And I have a New Orleans one. Now you know, Tennessee and what's the first one I showed? Charleston. You know, those states in South Carolina. So those states border me, and I'm in them quite often. Now, this one I'm not in often. You know, Louisiana, New Orleans, but I do plan on going. And since these were 30% off, normally these are $6. I went ahead and grabbed it for a future trip. I have been to New Orleans before, but Mr. Mouse Diva has not, and we do plan to go there at some point. And they have more than these, but these, I really just should have got them all. This is Kentucky. I already have the North Carolina and Florida one, and I should have just got the rest because at 30% off, and they never go on sale, but I didn't, because these I actually bought myself. So those are the journals, and now for the purse. Oh, and let me show you this. So Spartina 449 is, their theme is kind of like a mermaid. So this is a little card that came with it. And just so, and this is their logo, if you're curious. And they have clothes and stuff, and some jewelry. But my main focus is that greetings from. All right, I'm gonna take, oh, okay, so here's the other thing. I normally don't get purses this small, but because of the state, now remember, they're all different states or areas. I got a small one, a crossbody, because next summer, Tom and I will be going to Texas. And I wanted to get, oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I wanted just a little crossbody so that with walking around and doing the touristy things that I could wear and not have to lug a heavy purse. And it's a snap closure. Oh, no, it's magnet snap, so you can kind of see the magnet right there. Again, this is a lot smaller than I would normally have. So basically, I'll have to take the stuff out of my wallet, put it in a little card thing. I can put my inhaler in here, my phone, and that's about it. It does have a zip part right there. Here is the strap. And what I like about this strap, and some things that I don't like about some of the Dooney bags and some other designer bags, is they'll put the chain instead of a regular strap. It's a chain strap, and I'm sorry guys, but those are not comfortable. I mean, if you're just running to the store or something, that's fine, but if you're out and about and you know, doing touristy things, that chain cutting into your shoulder is just not functional, practical. Anyway, so whoa, there's okay, I don't have to worry about getting an extra card thing. I forgot that there are card slits in here. Well, that is wonderful. I don't have to have a wallet in here at all. Who knew? So anyway, what's different about this purse is that it is like a cloth. And the rest of my greetings from purses, and I have a wallet, are canvas, easy wipe off. So I just realized that it came with an actual pin also. But I don't have a purse this color, and they do have the canvas in Texas design, but again, I needed a crossbody and I just wanted something different, a different color. I don't have a purse that's kind of tannish, and this works perfect. I am so excited about this, and I am so excited about that Texas trip. Because we're just going to go to all these places, San Antonio, all these places that we've been wanting to go and explore, and I'm super excited about it. And of course, when we do go, I would definitely be vlogging, but it won't be on this, the footage and stuff won't be on this channel, obviously. It will be on our family channel, Life's a Whirlwind. If you're looking for travel vlogs other than Disney World, that's where you want to go, because we have Washington DC on there. We have you know, we have beach trips on there, different beaches. We have indoor water parks, different theme parks, you know, Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, think Dollywood. So go check that channel out. We would love to see you over there. Make sure you hit the bell icon for both channels so that you know when a video is uploaded and you don't miss any content. Hope you guys aren't going too stir crazy. I actually threatened to throw my 19-year-old and my 15-year-old outside. I actually said go outside and play because they were driving me insane. I don't know what got into them, but they were like picking at each other like 10-year-olds. It was insane. So I don't, tell me any of your like stir crazy cabin fever stories. I'd love to hear them down below. Now, I gotta stop vlogging this one so I can vlog an amazing, huge, and I'm looking down here on the floor, Funko Pop haul that I have. So, I gotta get vlogging, guys. See you at the park.
Yeah. Ooh. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change.